Hey friends, good morning. We are here in Green Turtle Key. Specifically, we'd be on Green Turtle Key. And gonna do some drone flights this morning. It's a little windy, but I think we're gonna be able to pull it off. We'll see how that goes. And then we don't really know exactly what we're doing for the rest of the day. It is nice and sunny, so it might be a beach day for us. So hopefully you'll join us today. It is Monday, August 21st, Eclipse Day. And it was a little too windy today to go droning this morning, so Shannon and I are going to go and just look around the island, just check some things out, and grab lunch somewhere. And then later today at low tide, we're gonna have a little bit of a beach day. You ready for all that?
I am.
Let's
do it.
All right. We are in downtown New Plymouth. We found a place that sells fabric that's made here locally that has pot cakes on it. So we have some ideas of some things we could do with the fabric. So we're gonna go see if we can find some that we like and explore downtown New Plymouth a little bit. Hey guys, we found us a nice little private spot on a beach. One of the best beaches in Green Turtle Bay. Super windy, as you might be able to tell. I bet the micro muff is rocking it right now. It's also shielded by the screen. But we're just taking a moment to chill out and enjoy this beautiful view. So let's show it to you. Okay, we're done exploring for a bit, and we're parched and a little hungry and a little hot and sweaty. So we're gonna go try to find lunch, maybe a place to sit inside to cool off, but I'm not real worried about that. Power is off on the island right now, so they'd have to have a generator, but assuming most restaurants are gonna have a generator. Yeah, so we got a little bit of a drive back through the wilderness here to get back to the main road, and we'll check in with you guys probably at lunchtime. One of the secrets of traveling for us is with most meals we actually split meals. A, because we always get plenty of food to be able to split, and then we also don't really have a place to take leftovers and don't really want to deal with it. So today we got a blackened grouper sandwich and sweet potato fries, and check it out. After lunch, it was time to head to the beach. In fact, we went to Ocean Beach. But once we got into the water, we realized it was a bit too rough. So we headed to Coco Bay on the other side of the island. This is where we saw the green turtles just a couple days before. They weren't around this time, but the bay was perfect. The water was refreshing and almost like glass. I mean, just look at it. We relaxed and enjoyed the water and each other's company. It was our little spot in paradise. Hey guys, as you might hear, I'm losing my voice, and this is gonna make making videos really interesting. Just signing off for the day and gonna get a good night's rest, and tomorrow morning we are going sailing. It's gonna be a great day. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Remember to be the light and go out into your world and make a difference. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.